This is the evening scene one can observe in every village of Balochistan. The ringing of the bells of flocks and herds is actually the announcement of the end of day and the beginning of night, because the spreading of the darkness leads to the people to have their evening meal at dusk and then go to bed. Although this trend is in vogue in whole rural Balochistan, but there a ray of hope appeared to change the trend when the project of installing solar energy system by Hard Balochistan with the support of EKOenergy was launched in 4 hard-to-reach villages of Wad Khosda. How did this project work and what changes have occurred, explains one of the beneficiaries. I am living in this village from the very day of my birth. Prior to this, we were living the life like a blind person. With the sunset, we used to rush to the bed amid scorpions and snakes with the morsel in our mouth. If we had a D-shaped and broken lamp, then we would find it difficult to clean it daily and arrange kerosene oil for it, because we all are poor. We had either to arrange oil for lamp or food for family, as poverty was not allowing us to do both simultaneously. Whereas, taking the advantage of darkness, the thieves used to steal all what we had. Thanks to Hard and EKOenergy, making us to know that there are other ways too of lighting, which called solar energy system. Now we are happy and our children and women are also in comforts. Life has become so easy and the expenses has also gone low. Although life is difficult for all in village, but it is the women folk who face the burden much. Doing all domestic chores, women also contribute in family earning. Has this project proved helpful for them, and if so, then to what extent, says Aisha, a widow villager. Life is full of troubles and hardships. We work for the whole day evening. Even then, we can't finish our daily work, as our day ends with the sunset. The appearance of darkness was actually the beginning of night, and there was no dusk in our life. Thank you, EKOenergy and Hard Balochistan, for lightening our life through solar system, which provides much light with less labor, less expenditure and less time. Now we do our embroidery work till midnight and earn much, which helped me to send my kids to school and also brought many comforts in our life. The prosperity of a family helps the children of it in education and schooling. Is it so here? We asked a local school girl, Nadra. We were much disappointed due to light problem, because after sunset it was not possible for us to do our homework and repeat lessons. Now, not only all these have become easy for us, but the children hitherto were hesitating to go to school now are motivated and coming to school with us. No doubt, the increase in enrollment is a good omen in a far-flung, less developed area, but the attendance of the students and their interest in acquiring education also do counts well. This is what we asked from the teacher of the local school. I am teaching here for the last 11 years. It's fact that here the night means the sinking of sun with which the life used to go to a complete silence. I know well about the problems of these people and the clutch of poverty they are entangled with. Keeping all these, I never became hard with the students for their homework and learning of lesson, as I know that after the school they used to go either for tending flocks or work in the field, and after the sunset the whole village sunk into darkness. But from the day the solar energy project has started function lighting the whole village and school, I am observing a big change. The children now do their homework regularly and also learn their lessons well. It provided a safe and healthy learning environment at school and home to reach their academic potential, and even inspired school non-going children to go to school, and this credit goes to Heart and EKOenergy. The solar energy is actually a health-friendly energy reducing carbon emission. The smoke-emitting chimneys burning kerosene oil is actually a big health hazard for the human being. Has the replacement of kerosene oil with that of solar energy brought any change in the life of the villagers in terms of their health? We put this question before Dr. Majid, who is in charge of basic health unit of the village. Earlier, health center closed down before sunset and we cannot provide service at night. The solar energy helped us to provide emergency services at night. The smoke-emitting chimneys were an open threat for the general health of people, as it displaces oxygen in the blood and deprives the heart, brain and other vital organs of oxygen. The environment was also contaminated due to it. While doing OPD in hospital, we were observing the number of carbon heart patients, particularly women and children, were on the top of the victims. But when the solar problem was installed and it started functioning, we have recorded the number of such patients decreasing, and now it has gone to the lowest stage. Overall, it reduced health hazards, decreased child and mother mortality, and increased life expectancy and health services, working and living conditions of people in the area. The smoke-emitting public as well as domestic units are major threats to general health in shape of environment deterioration, whereas in rural areas, very meaning of falling ill is tantamount to losing livelihood. The project to reduce environment impact and improving underprivileged children, women and communities' health, education and socio-economic condition through installation of solar energy system is a step covering many aspects of sustainable development goals, as it is a step for change, not only socio-economic conditions but even the thinking and focusing the natural environment, which is one of the major needs of the time. The project covered 100% of 4 village households along with the school, health centers and religious places, to benefiting around 1,500 people, mainly children and women, in targeted and surrounding areas.